Today we'll talk about how can you select location on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you come here to my location, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you select your location in this list here. So here can you select it. So that's all you have to do. So that's all. I wish know you I give it. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.